Welcome back, gadget fans! In today's video, we're checking out 30 incredible Amazon cooking gadgets that will save you tons of time in the kitchen. From quick prep tools to smart cooking assistants, these gadgets will revolutionize your cooking routine. As always, you can find all the product links in the description below, so let's get started. I still remember the first time I used the Good Grip salad spinner. It completely transformed how I clean and dry greens. With its impressive 6.22 quart capacity, I can effortlessly prepare enough for large family meals or gatherings. The non-slip base ensures stability, while the one-handed operation makes it incredibly convenient, even with wet or messy hands. It's a must-have kitchen essential. Picture this, it's Saturday morning, the kids are running around, and the Dash Mini Waffle Maker takes center stage. This compact kitchen gadget heats up quickly, delivering perfectly crispy golden waffles every single time. Its non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. Just pour in the batter, wait a few minutes, and breakfast is ready. It's the ultimate tool for fun and effortless family mornings. After a long day of cooking, I reached for this garlic press, and wow, what a difference! With just a quick squeeze, it crushed garlic and ginger effortlessly. The rust-proof, dishwasher-safe design made cleanup a breeze, and the sleek silver finish adds a touch of elegance to my kitchen. I was craving something sweet, so I grabbed this mug ice cream maker. In minutes, I had homemade sorbet and gelato. No store-bought stuff needed. The built-in ingredient chute made it easy to customize, and the cleanup was simple. Plus, the compact design made storage a breeze. Opening a can used to feel like a challenge, but this rechargeable electric can opener changed everything. With just one touch, it effortlessly handles any can, leaving smooth edges and making it perfect for seniors or anyone with arthritis. Portable, USB charged, and hands-free, it's a game changer for my kitchen. I was tired of squinting at tiny timers while cooking, so I tried this digital kitchen timer. Its large LED display is a lifesaver, and the adjustable volume makes it easy to hear, even from another room. Plus, the magnetic back means I can stick it anywhere. Perfect for busy cooks. I've always wanted an air fryer that doesn't take up too much space, and the Bella 4-quart slim air fryer was the perfect solution. It fits perfectly in my small kitchen, and the ceramic non-stick coating makes cleanup a breeze. With 6 presets and adjustable temperature, it's a game changer. Finding the right lid for every container used to be a hassle, but these silicone stretch lids changed everything. With 7 different sizes, they fit everything from small bowls to large dishes. They're reusable, dishwasher safe, and freezer friendly, making food storage more convenient and eco-friendly than ever. Cluttered cabinets and fridge space became a thing of the past when I discovered the Lifewit stackable water bottle organizer. With room for 8 bottles, this set keeps everything neat and easily accessible. Whether it's tumblers or travel mugs, it's the perfect solution for a more organized kitchen. Gone are the days of waiting for water to boil. This microwave pasta cooker has completely changed the way I make pasta. Just add your spaghetti, pop it in the microwave, and the built-in strainer lid makes draining a breeze. Perfect for quick no-fuss meals at home, dorm, or office. Ever felt like shredding cheese or veggies was a chore? This electric cheese grater has completely changed the game for me. With 6 different blades and a powerful 250-watt motor, it slices and grates effortlessly. Whether it's cheese, fruits, or veggies, meal prep is now a breeze. Fast, easy, and mess-free. I've struggled with keeping herbs fresh in the fridge, but this herb saver is a game changer. It keeps my parsley, basil, and cilantro fresh for weeks. Its sleek design is perfect for any kitchen, and the eco-friendly materials make it a win for me and the planet. Cutting pizza used to feel like a struggle, but the Kitschy pizza cutter wheel changed everything. Its sharp ergonomic design glides effortlessly through crusts, crispy or thick. The protective blade cover makes it safe and easy to store. My pizza nights are now mess-free, efficient, and honestly a lot more fun. Leftovers always felt like a gamble until I found the Food Saver sealing machine. This compact marvel locks in freshness for both wet and dry foods, saving me time and money. Its sleek vertical design fits neatly in my kitchen, and the reduced bag waste, a total win for my meals and the planet. Chopping vegetables for dinner used to leave a mess until I got the Hawar bamboo cutting board. Its spacious surface handles everything, while the juice groove keeps spills in check. Made from 100% organic bamboo, it's pre-oiled for durability. A cutting board that's functional, eco-friendly, and looks stunning in my kitchen. Gift shopping for Valentine's Day. I stumbled upon this electric candle lighter and knew it was perfect. Rechargeable and sleek, it's ideal for lighting candles, camping, or even birthdays. My wife loves its practicality, and it's eco-friendly too. A thoughtful gift that combines style and utility in one small package. Hosting a sushi night at home was always intimidating until I got this Sushi Making Kit with 20 tools, from a bazooka roller to bamboo mats and a chef's knife. It made rolling sushi easy and fun. Even as a beginner, I felt like a pro. Delicious homemade sushi? Yes, please. Burnt fingers were a thing of the past when I started using these hot plate gripper clips. From pulling pizza pans out of the oven to lifting steaming bowls from the microwave, they've become my kitchen sidekick. Compact, sturdy, and easy to use, they're the upgrade I didn't know I needed. Cooking just got a stylish upgrade with this 2-in-1 olive oil dispenser. Perfect for salads, frying, or BBQs, it combines precision spraying with a sleek design. The glass bottles are durable, food grade, and make portion control effortless. Whether it's a drizzle or a mist, this tool makes every meal a masterpiece. Say goodbye to wasted shampoo and lotion. This 2-pack premium bottle emptying kit is your new bathroom hero. With 6 adapters and 2 base caps in chic pastel colors, it fits most plastic bottles and ensures you use every last drop. Saving money and reducing waste has never been so satisfying. Tackling a lumpy potato mash or stubborn ground meat, this heat-resistant nylon masher swoops in like a kitchen superhero. At 10 inches, it's perfect for non-stick cookware, ensuring no scratches while delivering smooth, effortless mashing. Durable, sleek, and practical. It's the tool you didn't know you needed until now. Hosting a family dinner or party, this warming mat is your new best friend. In just 10 seconds, it keeps your food perfectly warm throughout the event. With its portable design and timed function, it's easy to use and a game changer for buffets and daily meals. No more cold food, ever. Say goodbye to messy measuring cups. This digital kitchen scale makes baking and meal prep a breeze. With precise readings in ounces, grams, milliliters, and even cup units, this sleek stainless steel scale ensures you get every ingredient just right. Perfect for anyone who loves cooking with accuracy. Ever crave a perfectly grilled sandwich or burger at home? The Hamilton Beach Panini Press does it all. With a 180-degree opening, you can load up on thick quesadillas or juicy burgers, while the non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze. It's the indoor grill that brings the heat every time. Imagine cooking a meal without having to stand over the stove, constantly stirring. This automatic pot stirrer makes that possible. With its variable speed and self-adjusting power, it effortlessly stirs your dishes. Cordless and updated for 2024, this tool lets you focus on the rest of the meal while it works for you. Grilling steaks to perfection just got easier with the Alpha Griller's instant read meat thermometer. Whether you're at a BBQ or cooking dinner, its waterproof design, backlight, and precise calibration ensure every dish is spot on. A must-have tool for any cook, and a perfect Valentine's gift for the chef in your life. This electric grinder set is a game changer for your kitchen. With adjustable coarseness, an LED light, and one-handed operation, it makes adding fresh pepper and salt effortless. Its sleek stainless steel design and battery-powered convenience make it the perfect addition to any meal prep routine. This bag sealer offers an effortless way to keep your snacks fresh. This 2-in-1 mini sealer and cutter seals bags in seconds, ensuring your food stays sealed and stored properly. Its compact handheld design, along with the included lanyard, makes it easy to use anywhere, keeping your food fresh. If you're looking to turn your kitchen scraps into garden-ready fertilizer, this 4-liter electric composter is a game changer. With its smart design, odorless function, and auto-cleaning feature, it takes food waste and transforms it effortlessly. Plus, the intelligent LED display makes it easy to monitor the composting process at home. Preparing homemade baby food has never been easier with the NutriBullet Baby Complete Food Making System. This 32-ounce system blends fruits, veggies, and grains into smooth, nutritious purees. With its simple, user-friendly design, you'll enjoy the convenience of making fresh, healthy meals for your little one every day. If you found these time-saving cooking gadgets as exciting as I did, don't forget to hit that like button. Let me know in the comments which gadget you're most excited to try. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe for more awesome kitchen finds and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Happy cooking!